Good afternoon, students. Today I am going to explain the level 2 problems of tangent and normal to you. Tangent and normal problems of higher level problem. The inclination of the tangent at theta equal to pi by 3 on the curve x equal to a into theta plus sine theta, y equal to a into 1 plus cos theta is the inclination of the tangent at theta equal to pi by 3 on the curve x equal to a into theta plus sine theta, y equal to a into 1 plus cos theta. Here theta equal to pi by 3 is not at all the inclination, it is the parametric value. At this given parametric value or point, you have to find the inclination of the tangent. Inclination of the tangent means once the tangent is drawn at theta equal to pi by 3 and it is making some alpha angle with the positive direction of x axis, then alpha is known as inclination of the tangent. Once the tangent is making alpha angle with positive direction of x axis, then it is called inclination. So, to get inclination one should find tan alpha, that means slope of the tangent. Once the slope of the tangent is known to us, you can able to find the inclination. So, at first to get the inclination, find the slope here at theta equal to pi by 3, that is the problem here. The curve is given in its parametric form. So, by parametric differentiation, let us find dy by dx. To get dy by dx, find dx by d theta at first. Dx by d theta is a into derivative of theta with respect to theta is 1, derivative of sine theta with respect to theta is cos theta itself. Similarly, dy by d theta is here a into derivative of 1 with respect to theta is 0, derivative of cos theta is minus sine theta. Therefore, dy by dx by parametric differentiation, dy by d theta by dx by d theta, that is minus a sine theta by a into 1 plus cos theta, a cancel. Therefore, dy by dx at theta equal to pi by 3 is minus sine pi by 3 by 1 plus cos pi by 3. This is minus root 3 by 2 by 1 plus 1 by 2, which is minus root 3 by 3 minus 1 by root 3. So, the slope of the tangent is minus 1 by root 3. So, slope of tangent for theta equal to pi by 3 is tan alpha, let it be tan alpha equal to, hence inclination of the tangent. Inclination of tangent is alpha equal to tan inverse of minus 1 by root 3. Tan inverse of minus 1 by root 3 is pi minus pi by 6, pi by 6. The inclination is always less than pi. Hence, tan value is taking negative. Tan value is taking negative. Hence, you have to consider the angle in the second quadrant. The second quadrant angle which is less than pi is pi minus pi by 6, because tan pi by 6, tan 30 is 1 by root 3. The required inclination of the tangent at pi by 3, theta equal to pi by 3 is 5 pi by 6. Next one. This is one more conceptual based problem. If the normal to the curve y equal to fx at 3, 4 makes an angle 3 pi by 4 with positive direction of x-axis, then f dash of 3. The normal is making 3 pi by 4 angle with OX. That is the given data. Normal makes 3 pi by 4 angle with positive direction of x-axis. That implies and implied slope of normal is tan 3 pi by 4. If any line is making some alpha angle with OX, then tan alpha is its slope. Here the normal is making that angle, hence I am taking it as that tan of that angle as slope of the normal. That is tan of pi minus pi by 4, which is minus tan pi by 4 minus 1. The slope of the normal is minus 1. Therefore, slope of tangent is 1. Since the slope of the tangent is 1, therefore, dy by dx at 3, 4, because the normal is at 3, 4. Normal, of course, at 3, 4 makes 3 by 4 angle with x. So, slope of normal at 3, 4 is this. Slope of tangent at 3, 4 is 1. So, dy by dx at 3, 4 is 1. Dy by dx means f dash x at 3, 4 is 1. So, taking x equal to 3, therefore, f dash of 3 must be equal to 1. The derivative of function, the derivative of y with respect to x, f dash x at x equal to 3 is clearly 1. Next, problem. The curve y minus e power xy plus x equal to 0 has a vertical tangent line as a vertical tangent line at the point. The options are 1, 1. This is 0, 1, 1, 0, minus 1, minus 1. At what point the tangent line is vertical to the curve? That is the problem here. So the curve is here y plus x equal to e power xy. Y plus x equal to e power xy is the curve. Differentiating with respect to x, dy by dx plus 1 equal to derivative of e power xy. That gives us dy by dx plus 1 equal to, for exponential function the derivative is e power xy into dy by dx of x into y also. Again you have to take the product rule here. That gives us dy by dx plus 1 equal to e power xy into, taking the product rule, taking derivative with respect to x, taking derivative of x with respect to x, we get 1 into y plus x into derivative of y with respect to x. So here is also dy by dx follows. Collecting dy by dx terms. Therefore, collecting dy by dx terms, dy by dx minus x e power xy into dy by dx. I am taking this product to that side, equal to y into e power xy minus 1. So taking dy by dx common here, you get 1 minus x e power xy equal to y e power xy minus 1. dy by dx is y e power xy minus 1 by 1 minus x e power xy. This is our derivative. Here derivative of the curve dy by dx is y e power xy minus 1 by 1 minus x e power xy. Now, the tangent is vertical. That once the tangent is vertical, it is parallel to y axis. For vertical tangent, the slope of the tangent is not defined. That is the point here. So, tangent is vertical. Tangent is vertical implies and implied. dy by dx is not defined. Is not defined. The slope of the tangent is not defined. Therefore, dy by dx is not defined means 1 minus x e power xy is 0. The denominator is 0. The point satisfies that relation. Once the tangent drawn at a particular point is vertical, the point must satisfy this relation. X e power xy must be equal to 1. 1 minus x e power xy equal to 1. That is possible for y equal to 0 only. That implies x e power xy takes the value 1. Taking x equal to 1 and y equal to 0, x equal to 1 and y equal to 0, this one is satisfied. So by verification, 1 comma 0 satisfies this relation, this equation, this one. Hence the required point is 1 comma 0 itself. Moreover, 1 comma 0 also satisfies this one. Actually, you have to solve these two. Because the required point lies on the curve as well as this satisfies this relation. So from this, e power xy may be written as 1 by x, and on solving this we get the required point. Otherwise, by verification you can get this point as 1 comma 0. 1 comma 0 means taking x equal to 1, y is 0 in this one, 1 into e power 0, that gives us 1 clearly. For other points it was not satisfied, for this one or for this one or for this one it was not satisfied except that point. Hence the required point is 1 comma 0. In objective type, as possible as we can, we have to pick up the answer. So no need of doing and solving the problem. By verification you can pick up the point, required point, which satisfies that relation, because the tangent is vertical. That is the condition for the tangent to be vertical. The point which satisfies that condition is the required point. Next one. Next problem. The equation of tangent. The equation of tangent to the curve. Y equal to 2 sin x plus sin 2x at x equal to pi by 3. On it is. Y minus 3 equal to 0, y plus root 3 equal to 0, 2y minus 3 equal to 0, and fourth one is 2y minus 3 root 3 equal to 0. Coming to solution. Here we have to find the equation of tangent at x equal to pi by 3. So the given curve is y equal to 2 sin x plus sin 2x. For x equal to pi by 3, y takes the value 2 sin pi by 3 plus sin 2 pi by 3. Sin 60. Sin pi by 3 means sin 60. Sin 60 is root 3 by 2. This is pi minus pi by 3. Sin pi by 3 itself. This is also root 3 by 2. Since sin 2 pi by 3 is sin of pi minus pi by 3. Sin pi by 3 itself. Hence, totally y takes the value 2 root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2 means 3 root 3 by 2. 3 root 3 by 2. So the point is here. The point is pi by 3 comma 3 root 3 by 2. X coordinate is pi by 3, corresponding y coordinate is 3 root 3 by 2. That is the point on the curve where the tangent is needed here. So equation of the tangent. To get the equation of the tangent, let us consider the derivative. Now from the curve 1, dy by dx. dy by dx is 2 into derivative of sin x, that is cos x, plus derivative of sin function is here cos function, and derivative of 2x also follows, that is 2. Derivative of sin 2x is cos 2x and derivative of 2x is 2. Taking 2 as common, we get cos x plus cos 2x. Now slope of tangent at pi by 3, at x equal to pi by 3. Slope of tangent is obtained dy by dx at x equal to pi by 3 because the tangent is drawn at pi by 3. So that is twice to that of cos pi by 3 plus cos 2 pi by 3 here. 2 into cos 60 cos 120. Cos 120 is minus half because in the second quadrant it is negative. Moreover, cos pi minus pi by 3 minus cos pi by 3, that is minus half, hence 0. So the slope of the tangent at pi by 3 is 0 and the point is here. Once the slope of the tangent is 0, the tangent is parallel to x-axis. So equation of the tangent. Therefore, equation of tangent is at x equal to pi by 3 is y equal to k form 3 root 3 by 2 equal to 0 into x minus pi by 3. That is 2y equal to 3 root 3. This is the equation of tangent. That is the equation of tangent. 2y equal to 3 root 3 or 2y minus 3 root 3 equal to 0. Here the tangent is parallel to x-axis. Here the tangent is parallel to x-axis at that point. Next one. Next. Equation of a tangent to the curve y equal to cos of x plus y, where 0 is less than or equal to x is less than or equal to 2 pi, that is parallel to the line x plus 2y equal to 0 is the equation of tangent to the curve. This is also one important one. The equation of tangent to the curve y equal to cos of x plus y, where x lies between 0 and 2 pi, that is parallel to the line x plus 2y equal to 0. Here curve is y equal to cos of x plus y. So differentiating dy by dx is minus sine of x plus y into derivative of x plus y with respect to x, which is minus sine of x plus y into 1 plus dy by dx. Derivative of x with respect to x is 1. Derivative of y with respect to x is dy by dx. Collecting dy by dx terms, dy by dx plus sine of x plus y into dy by dx. I am taking this term, this product to this side, equal to minus sine of x plus y. Therefore, dy by dx is minus sine of x plus y by 1 plus sine of x plus y. This is the slope of the tangent, but the tangent is parallel to x plus 2y. But tangent is parallel to x plus 2y equal to 0. That implies and implied dy by dx must be equal to minus 1 by 2. dy by dx must be equal to minus 1 by 2. The slope of this line, the slope of this line is minus a by b. Minus a by b is minus 1 by 2. So therefore, minus sine of x plus y by 1 plus sine of x plus y takes the value 1 by 2. From this, taking cross multiplication, minus 2 sine of x plus y takes the value 1 plus sine of x plus y. Hence, 3 sine of x plus y takes the value minus 1. Sine of x plus y takes the value minus 1 by 3. Oh, sorry, this is minus 1 by 2. This is minus, hence we get positive sign here. Hence, 2 sine of x plus y takes the value 1 plus sine of x plus y. Hence, sine of x plus y takes the value 1 itself. That implies x plus y takes the value pi by 2 or x plus y pi by 2 or 3 pi by 2 also. At pi by 2, oh sorry, at clearly pi by 2 it is 1, at 3 pi by 2 sine is negative, so no need. At x plus y is pi by 2. So whenever x plus y is pi by 2, the tangent is certainly parallel to this line. So the required point, the required point is here, the equation of the tangent, of course. Okay. For x plus y is pi by 2, the point on the curve is y equal to cos pi by 2, y is 0. So therefore, from curve y equal to cos pi by 2, that is 0. Therefore, x takes the value pi by 2 itself. So the required point is here 0 comma pi by 2. Therefore, tangent parallel to x plus 2y equal to 0 is drawn at pi by 2 comma 0. Taking x plus y equal to pi by 2 in the curve. This is the condition, this is the condition for the slope of the tangent to be minus 1 by 2. That means the tangent is parallel to x plus 2, y equal to 0. Based on this condition, I am getting the point where the tangent is drawn. So x plus y equal to pi by 2 means cos pi by 2 0, y is 0. Once y is 0, x is pi by 2. Hence, the required point where the tangent is drawn here is pi by 2 comma 0, which is parallel to x plus 2y equal to 0. Therefore, the equation of tangent, the slope is known to us and the point is known. So equation of tangent to the curve is y minus 0 equal to slope minus 1 by 2 into x minus pi by 2. The slope is here. Since it is parallel to the line x plus 2y equal to 0, slope is minus half. So by point and slope formula, equation of the tangent may be developed. Y equal to minus x by 2 plus pi by 4, or that may be written as 4y equal to minus 2x plus pi, or 2x plus 4y, y equal to pi. That is x plus 2y equal to pi by 2. A parallel line to this line. So hence equation of the tangent parallel to the given line is, to the curve particularly, y equal to cos of x plus y is x plus 2y equal to pi by 2. X plus 2y equal to pi by 2. This is one important problem.